Now I forgot to film an intro for this video, so here's some little puppies. Here's some little puppies I got in my home. They're so cute. They're so little cuties. Also, I speak really monotone in the most of the video, but trust me, I'm really excited. Like, super excited. No, but I don't know. Just watch it. I hope you like it. Stay tuned to the end for something really special. Oh my god, I look so pale. Literally, look. Oh my god. Oh, okay. We'll keep it that way. Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you're here. That background is kind of boring. So we're gonna be talking about resin errors and how to fix them. Let's do this. For our first errors, these little cup holders. This one came way better than that one. But if you guys can see, the edges are so bad. The doming is not flat. It's literally filled to this and that. The way you can fix this, you sand the edges and polish it. And have a flat table. Make sure it's not inclined because the resin will just move itself over here and cause you these issues for you to sand. Another error, I wanted to like make a marble thing. It looks kind of cool here, but here's like, what's going on? And this one, I like this. Just didn't like this. Let's pick random.
So, you come here often?
Okay. Again, it just went out of the edges. If that happens, you have no options but to sand this part or the whole part so it looks completely stable. If it's a pair of earrings, you gotta do them on both. Another issue I had, I drilled the hole wrong on this one. So I wanted to fill it up with a little bit of resin and just drilled it again. It ended up overflowing. So I had the issue that the piece just has resin on top. It looks messy and it's not really that flattering. So let it go. This is really easy to fix. Again, bubbling happened, but this is like a cavity, a big one. The way you can fix this, put it on top of Play-Doh so you have a stable base. Pour a little bit of resin on top, and you're good to go. Wait, but first, sand it. Sand it, then put some resin. Okay, beware of this. The issue is not with the piece itself, it's with the mold itself. If you leave your blowtorch straight forward the mold, you might melt it and cause it for the mold to melt and mix with the resin. Make sure you test a little bit of the resin first and the blowtorch beneath a mold, and then just take it out and see how it reacts. For this one, oh wait, no, it's really hard. No, yeah, I just didn't want to finish it. Now, for this one, this is like a gem or something. This is the issue. If you guys can see this bump right there, I overfilled it. I didn't leave it for a cavity so I can fill it again later. The way you're gonna resolve this is by sanding flat that edge and just polishing it. It looks really glossy here. When working with cubes or any type of three-dimensional objects, bubbles are gonna be a really huge issue to take out. Make sure your resin doesn't have a lot of bubbles. I'm gonna cover that in another video, but not now. I don't know if you guys can see that. If you're working with paint and it gets on top, the only option you have is just sand it off and resin on top of it. When you have a piece that's not really shiny, let's take for example this and this. This is shinier than this. Dome it. This is domed and this ain't domed. It's gonna make it shinier, lenser, and pretty cool if you ask me. When a resin is mixed with paint and it's more paint than resin or a large amount of paint, this can happen. It's really dumb and it can break easily. This is an issue that I don't think you can fix. Bubbles. It has little cavities, if you guys can see with the reflection of the light. Actually, you can fix this. Don't listen to him. What you want to do is just sand the top flat and then just take a nylon brush and just coat it with a little bit of resin and you're done. If you have bendy pieces, it's one or two things. Either you didn't mix well or the resin itself is just not that hard. An example I have for a resin that's not really hard because it's not meant for jewelry, it's art resin. That resin, you can use it for paintings and coating things, but not for jewelry in particular. When you apply a lot of alcohol ink, it goes straight forward to the bottom and just splatters itself. Okay, the issue I have with this one, what can you guys see? I'm pretty sure you said golden flakes, or if you said something like boogers, you really do know how to see well. There are plants in there and there's golden flakes in the back. You can't see the plants, can't you? When you're doing something with golden flakes, go slow with the flakes just to make sure you have the right amount if you're gonna put it on a background. If you're gonna be golden flakes solo, go for your liking, but for that example, I would say less is better. I think those are all the examples I can give you guys for now. If you have any questions, make sure to leave it in the comment sections, and make sure you like and subscribe if you like the video. And if you like my shirt as well. I know if you like my shirt if you put a like button. Or just comment it, I don't know. Anyways, see you guys next time, and wait. Come here, boy, come here, girl. Another one. Peace out.